All right, guys, I'm going to try to teach you how to do the 2x2 as best as I can, taking videos on my own, which is not very easy. So instead of doing everything step by step, there are 4 stages to the 2x2. Stage 1 is simply saying that you recognize there are only 8 corner pieces to a 2x2. That's it. And each corner piece has 3 colors. So once you understand that each corner has 3 colors, just like the 3x3, and the 2x2 only consists of 8 corner pieces, that is what stage 1 is explaining. And then how to turn the cube is the same as stage 1 in the 3x3 book. So I'm going to skip stage 1, and I'm going to show you a shortcut for stage 2, because stage 2 is 4 pages long, going step by step. But because most of you know how to do the corners on the 3x3, there's only one algorithm you actually need to solve stage 2 that all of you can learn. So most importantly is starting with stage 2 is you need to pick up your 2x2 cube and find where it has the Rubik's logo on it, right here. Once you find this corner piece, this is your starting point. And if you notice, there's white on the top, blue on the right, and red on the left. That's going to tell you that this is the top side, which has to be white. This blue side tells you right here needs to be blue. This is the blue side, and this is going to be the red side. So, in a nutshell, what these 4 pages is saying is if you use this as your starting base, you know this piece has to be white and blue. So there's only one other piece that has white and blue. I'm going to hold my cube and I'm going to look for that other white and blue piece. Here it is. So it's already on the top, but it's in the wrong location. I need it to go here. So all I'm going to do is rotate it to get it next to my intended piece. So it's right here now. And that's all I had to do was rotate it a little bit to get it there. Now that's kind of luck, because if it was on the bottom, let me show you how to do the algorithm. Because it is now underneath, white, orange, and blue is underneath its intended location, just like in the 3x3 directions. I have it underneath where I want it to go, and I'm going to do the same algorithm as in the 3x3 white corners, which is right here. So I'm going to do right inverted, right, down. It didn't get correctly, so I'm going to do it again. Right inverted, right, and down. And I'm going to keep doing this algorithm until it gets into the correct spot. And it worked. It took me, 4 or 5 times, but it got into the correct spot. Now, I need to find another white piece. Oh, here they are. Here's white, green, and red. Well, how do I know what goes where? Well, these are the blue. This piece is correct, so you know this has to be white and orange, which means this has to be the white and the green. So here's my white, green, and red piece. Oh yeah, I'm going to want that right here because here's my red piece. So it is now underneath its intended location, and I'm going to do that same algorithm until it gets in the right spot. Let's see if it works. Right inverted, right, and down. Yep, it worked. I did complete this last piece of the algorithm down, even though by the third step, it was in its right spot. And now this last white corner piece is already on the bottom. I need to move it underneath its intended location right here. And I'm going to do this algorithm again. Right inverted, right, and down. And I have just finished stage 2 of the 2x2, which is just getting the white done and has white, red, red, white, all white on the top, red, red, green, green, orange, orange, and blue, blue. Then I can turn to stage 3, and do the yellow side in the next video.